Hey there, Dustin here from the Gravity team. Today we're going to talk about WordPress emails and the tools you need to help you significantly improve email deliverability rates. SMTP2GO is an email delivery service created for businesses and developers who need to send emails at scale. And Gravity SMTP is an SMTP plugin for WordPress that allows you to easily sync your WordPress site to SMTP2GO. Once connected, you'll be able to reliably send emails from your WordPress site that arrive straight to your users' inboxes and not in their spam folders. Let's take a quick look at how to get started with Gravity SMTP and SMTP2GO. If you don't have an SMTP2GO account, you can sign up for free by clicking the link below. After you've signed up and verified your email address, you'll need to add a verified sender within your SMTP2GO dashboard. Select Sending from the left side menu and then select Verified Senders. To be able to send emails from any email address at your domain, you'll want to select Add Sender Domain. Enter your domain, then choose Continue with this domain. SMTP2GO will then provide you with 3 DNS records that you will need to add wherever you manage your domain name's DNS settings. Once you've configured your DNS records, you'll need to create an API key. Head to the API Keys tab and select Add API Key. Copy your key down and once again click Add API Key. Now head to your WordPress dashboard. If you've just installed Gravity SMTP, follow the setup wizard and select SMTP2GO as your SMTP mail solution. Otherwise, head to the integrations page and open the SMTP2GO settings. Paste your API key into the API key field and complete the setup wizard, or simply save your changes if you are on the integrations page. Then use the toggle to connect Gravity SMTP to SMTP2GO. Be sure to also use the Send a Test tool to make sure everything is working properly. Gravity SMTP also lets you set a backup connection in case there's ever a problem with your primary connection. For instance, I can set Brevo as my backup connection from the integrations page, and if there's ever a problem sending emails with SMTP2GO, Gravity SMTP will use Brevo instead. And once emails start sending, be sure to check out the analytics. You can easily check metrics like send and open rates to see how your users are interacting with the emails they receive. As you can see, getting started with Gravity SMTP and SMTP2GO is quick and easy, and you'll be reliably sending emails from your WordPress website in minutes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to sound off in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any Gravity tutorials. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.